Hey friends, today we're going to learn how to draw a World War II fighter plane. As you begin drawing, remember to draw lightly so you can erase when you need to. We'll start the fighter plane by drawing a cylinder that is slightly wider at the end that looks like it's coming toward us, and slightly more narrow at the end on the right that appears to be further from us. What you're drawing right now is the body of the plane, or what's called the fuselage. And I think I'm actually going to make this end just a little bit longer. Over here I'll start drawing the wings of the plane. Do your best to make the lines for the wings parallel and at the correct angle. And notice that so far I'm just starting with basic shapes and I'm just focusing on getting correct angles and proportions. I can worry about fine-tuning these shapes and adding details at the end. Right now I just want to get those basics correct. Now I'm drawing the horizontal stabilizer. Notice that it should be parallel to the wings. You can use your pencil as a tool to check and make sure that the lines are parallel. Now I'll add the vertical fin. Now I'll draw a pointed and slightly rounded nose on the plane. Here I'm going to fine-tune the shape of these wings. Notice that the ends taper just a little bit. Now I'm going to draw the cockpit, or the area where the pilot sits. Now I'm fine-tuning the shape of the tail of the plane. The tail area is also known as the empennage. As you continue to fine-tune various areas on your drawing, be sure that you're still drawing lightly so you can easily make changes that you need. Now that things look the way I want them to, I'm going to darken my pencil lines just so that you can see them more clearly. And now I'll start adding some details to the plane. As you draw the propellers, make sure that it looks like an X intersecting the nose of the plane. I'm going to continue adding details to my plane. Feel free to make your details look like mine, or come up with some of your own.